hold. Okay.
Okay, good. Looks like you're joining. You're joining by your, because I see another person is joining using your name as well.
Let me exit first and then maybe try again.
Okay. All right. Good. Turn on your camera. Okay, I can see you. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Let me see. Let me open your this homework. So have you corrected that particular question?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, can you share your screen first? Can you share your screen first? Yeah. While you are sharing your screen, I don't know why. Every time you share your screen, then you have to go and turn on your camera.
Yeah.
Good.
Just download it so I can correct anything.
No, I don't need to download it. I just need to look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, go to that. Yeah. You download it, yes. Okay, next time, can I request you use a different colors? So the questions is in black color. So please use a blue. Please use a blue color to do your work. And then red color is for me to mark. Green color is for you to do correction. So blue color is for you to do the homework. All right.
Okay.
Next lesson onwards.
Okay.
Good. Go to that second last question, I guess.
It's loading.
Good. Okay. Yeah. Yes, this one. Okay. So how? So so what is the fraction of the figure is shaded? How do you get the fraction? Explain first.
You need to like separate, like not separate, like draw the lines so you can find the total amount.
So how many you have here?
15.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you count?
Yeah, 15. I already wrote the numbers down there.
No, you just tell me horizontally how many you have. Answer my question. Horizontally, how many you have? How many you can draw?
Horizontally.
Yeah. You don't understand my question? Can you understand my question?
Not really.
You anyhow draw. Okay, good. Can you go to your last question. I mean the previous, this is 40, go to 39.
49.
39,
39. Okay.
homework 39. That's your problem. You never label them correctly. You just anyhow label. So when are you going to label them correctly? Answer my question.
No.
When are you going to label them correctly?
No.
Now? Okay,
Yeah.
compare this question to your question just now. This one, left side, okay, don't close this, put this, just make this smaller, one side, and then the other one, right side, left and right. Park them side by side. Yes.
Yeah.
I asked them to park it one by one on the left, one on the right. How do you minimize the one? You already parked it side by side. You stop. Why you keep moving?
I'm already done.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Can you drag the window bigger? Up and down? I asked you to drag the window. Yes. Okay, look at these two. What's the difference between these two? Which one is correct? What's the meaning of horizontal? Stop moving. Stop moving. What's the meaning of horizontal?
It's like straight line like that, but then
Then what is the meaning of vertical?
it's like the height, the ACM, that one.
Vertical means up and down. Horizontal
Yeah.
means,
Left and right.
okay, good. Or sideways. Okay, you look at these two questions. Okay, you look at 40 first. When are you going to label all this correctly first? I ask you, homework 39. You want to tell me first attempt, second attempt, third attempt. So you are still not labeling them very well. What is 3917? What is 48? What is homework 48? When are you going to label your homework correctly?
No, because when you download it,
Okay.
it will appear as homework for it.
Okay. You
But
can't
then
rename it.
in my drive,
You cannot rename it. You cannot
I don't
rename it.
think so. But in my drive, right?
That means you go
In
to your
my drive,
drive, you stop. You answer my question. Can
no,
you rename
in
it?
my drive. This is where I save it to.
It's okay. Can you rename it? Answer my question.
I don't think you can rename it when you download it.
Can you rename it?
No, because
Try.
every time when I try to rename it, it will like go back to the original one.
Very good. Can you go to 48 now? What you are pointing here? Can you press it? Stop. Go to 2021 homework 40. Just now you go there already.
Yeah.
Yes. Double click or something. There is a function called rename. Go to 2021. Stop. Yes. 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 Correct. I don't like your naming comment. I don't like your naming convention. What 4017? What is homework 48? I don't understand. Can you rename it? Can you name it better? Can you give it a better name, which I understand and you understand? You don't have to rename everything. You just have to add on it. It has a very good starting name already. What rubbish you're talking about? What bracket one? What have I asked you to name? What bracket 8? What is bracket 8? Who asked you to write bracket 8? My homework is homework 40. The rest is for you to name. Okay, this is better. Clear? Isn't this clear? Isn't this clear? Answer my question.
Yeah.
When are you going to do this? Who says you cannot change? Who says? By the way, this is all recorded. Okay, next time when you grow up, you can come back and look at how stupid you are and how stupid in the sense, not because of your intelligence, because of your laziness. Okay, you don't try and then you tell me you cannot name it. You cannot rename it. You haven't tried and you tell me you cannot rename it. Okay, go back to the question side by side.
Oh,
I asked you to go back to the question side by side. What have you done?
I'm trying to get the screen.
Can you move your entire screen down? You don't need to full screen your this. You don't need to full screen it. Press the middle. You have a cross. You have to minimize. You can press the middle one.
I need to find homework 39.
Okay. You see, 39.1, 39.23. Who understand this 39.23? Who understand them? Who understand what is 39.17? Who understand that? I ask you to press the middle. Park them side by side. It's okay. Park them side by side now. No, that's not that one. Shermaine, stop. You don't even know how to navigate your this laptop. Put your cursor, go to the cross. Don't press, go to the cross. Top right corner. No. Top right corner, go. Okay, yes, press. Yes, that's how you manage the size of your screen. And then you can put one on the left, you can put one on the right by adjusting the window. Yes, that's how you adjust. You want to like shrink it, shrink it. Go. Correct. Can you shrink it? Shrink it, yes. Up, down, drag it, yes. Shrink it, left, right, yes. Good, stop. Do it for the other window. Good enough. You don't need to shrink so much. It's good enough. When you can see it, you don't shrink it anymore. Just park them side by side. Just now we had a very good view of question 14. And somehow you just messed it up again. Okay, good. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, look at the left, look at the right. So what's wrong with, so how are these two different?
One is 12, one is 15.
Why? Okay, so are they not the same or are they the same?
They're
How-
the same, except
Then how
one
come?
height.
Okay,
the-
good. So one is there is a height, then the other one there is no height. So that means the height is given for the left side. The height is not given for the right side. Then if they are the same, how come the right side has 12 and then the left side has 15? So which is wrong, which is right?
The 15 one is wrong.
Why? Why 15 is wrong?
Because the 12 one is correct.
Why? I ask you why. I'm not saying like this is a woman and because this is a man, this is a woman. I'm not asking for that. I'm asking for reason. What's the reason? Why 12 is correct? Why not 15?
Because the lines drawn at 15, one is big, one is small.
Can you just shut the 12? Can you, no, you don't shut. Can you just open the fifth open the left? Can you maximize the window on the left? You don't know how to maximize. Press the middle, press the middle. Yes. Go. Yes. Are you able to erase all your stuff? Okay,
Yeah.
please erase it. Not your working, not the A, B, C, D, E, not those.
Here.
Yes, erase them all. Okay, first thing first, how do you decide horizontally how many you can draw?
You measure the first diagram given, like the first parallelogram, the small one.
What do you mean by you need to measure? I thought is the measurement is already given. What are you talking about?
Measure 3 cm.
Yes, okay. Then how many you can draw horizontally? Please do it now. You don't need to measure. The measurement is given. Yes. Zoom in. Yes. So what is the total length? Stop. You need to see the, you need to have the overview. You cannot zoom in so much until you lose view. You still lose view. Where is the horizontal length? Where is the total for horizontal length? No, you need to enlarge it first. And then what is the total for the horizontal length? Answer my question. What's the total for the horizontal length?
3 cm.
No, that's not the total. I asked for the total. 3 cm is just one of them. I asked for the total.
9.
Where's the 9? I can't see the 9 in the screen. Where's the 9?
There's no 9 there.
Where's the 9? I can't see it on the screen. I can't see it on the screen you are sharing.
There's no 9 there.
Yes, so I need to see the 9. There is a 9. Stop. It's because up, down. Yes, you need to see an overview of the screen. I want to see the overview. That's the most important thing. Can you zoom in further? But you need to see the overview of the entire question. You don't miss out any information. When you do question, you need to see the entire thing. I ask you to zoom. I ask you to zoom.
I already zoomed in.
Zoom means such that you have the entire question. Yes.
It's here.
This is good enough. This is the best. So horizontally, how many you can draw? Answer my question. You are not looking at anything else but the screen. Are you looking at the screen? What is the total length horizontally?
9.
9. So how many small one you can draw? How many small one you can draw? Hello. Total is 9. One of them is 3. How many you can draw?
12.
Huh? You can draw 12. I ask you what just horizontally, babe. Shermaine. How do you draw 12? Add on it. What are you waiting for? What color I ask you to use? Are you going to use black again? Are you going to use black again?
No, I'm not even using black right now.
Before I ask you to change, right?
Yeah, but now I'm not using black because I
Of
already
course.
changed the color.
Yes, of course. Now you're not. How come I need to keep reminding you again and again? Then you only change. What are you waiting for? 你在等什么?
I'm taking a ruler.
Why need a ruler? You just estimate. I mean, I'm not asking you to draw a perfect one. You just need to estimate. Straight enough is good enough. How come you can only draw 2 more? Answer my question. Horizontally. Why not 3? How come you can only draw 2 more? Answer my question.
I don't know.
Huh? You don't know? Then can you go ahead and draw 4?
I don't think so.
I mean, why? Why yes and why no?
Because the length.
Hey, can you allow me to annotate? Is there a function called annotate? Never mind. No. Okay, good. Never mind. So can you tell me? Can you label 1, 2, 3 first? Can you label 1, 2, 3 there first? Okay. How come you can only draw 3? Why not 4 of them?
Because the length is only like 3 cm.
You're not answering my question.
And then the total length is like 9 cm only.
Okay. Then count. How come you end up with 3? Can it be 3.5? Can it be 3.4? 3.9? 3.1?
3. Because 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9.
Can you label them?
1, 2, 3. No.
No, can you label the length for each of them? Okay, so this means 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 cm. So horizontally, you can only have 3, right? That's how you answer the question. Good. Now, can you draw the vertically? Go ahead, vertically. Go ahead, vertically. Start. Wait, I asked you to do vertically first. Yes. How many you can draw vertically?
3.
Why 3?
Eh? Hold
Start,
on.
start drawing the vertically first. What are you waiting for? You do the same thing for the vertical. Okay. You have done it for the horizontally. Okay. 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm. Okay. It total up to 9 cm. That's why I can only have 3 horizontally. So now, vertically, you're going to have 12. Okay. So you have 12. So how many you can draw vertically? Continue quick. I don't want to wait for you. You don't waste my time and your time.
Uh, 8 cm.
The height is 8 cm, but the length is 12 cm. So for 12 cm, how many vertically you can draw? Can you start drawing? I want to see you start drawing. Okay, label the length. Go. Label the length on the left hand side. No, that's not the length. The length should be the left hand side, the super left hand side. I already give you an example how you label the length. Yes. Okay, continue. Continue. Continue to draw. How many you can draw? Quick. How many more you can draw? Quick. Label the length.
Okay.
Label the length.
Which length do you want me to measure? Label.
What have you drawn? You just continue to label. You have done it for the first row. You have done it for the wait. I asked you no, not this one. I asked you to do for the horizontally. You have done it already. You now need to do vertically. Can you draw some more?
No.
Why not?
The total is 12 cm.
How do you get 12 cm? How do you get 12 cm?
3 times 4.
Where is 3 times 4? I cannot see it.
The 3 cm times the 4 boxes.
Okay, you circle the 4 boxes. I cannot see the 4 boxes. Never mind, we will okay, if you end later on, never mind, I will just restart. Okay, good. So this shows that this is called vertically. Vertically, you can only have 4 of them. That's what you have already circled, right? So horizontally, how many you can draw? Can you circle it? Yeah, so horizontally you can draw 3, vertically you can draw 4. So total up you can draw how many? What are you waiting for? Start counting. So answer the question. Answer the question now. Zoom out. You need to see the entire question. Yes. So what's the answer for question 1?
1/12.
Write down. Okay, now comes the part. Second question, quick. Okay, instead of answering the second question, the third question, the fourth question, what's the total area of the figure? How do you find total area of the figure? Part D.
Base times height.
What is the base? What's the height? Can you label the base? Can you label the height in this question?
The base is
Use a highlighter. Use a highlighter. Highlight the base. Highlight the height. You need to have an overview of the question. You cannot just zoom in without looking at the question. Yes. What is this?
the height.
Height. Go and write down H. Continue. Okay, you write H. You write H in blue. How are you going to identify H later on? Because your entire figure is all blue. How can you see H clearly just later on? Can you use a red color then so that it's super clear to you? So how do you answer the question then? What's the formula?
Base times height.
Okay. Okay, good. So the entire figure is 72. So now, can you answer part 2, area of the shaded? How do you find shaded then?
You can find the unshaded first and then minus the total.
Unshaded minus total. The total now is 72. Can you just look at the figure, everything add up to 72. Now you just need to find the shaded. How do you do it? Use proportionality.
Yeah.
Total is 72. Write down 72 is how many? How many is 72?
1/.
No, you look at your figure. You already divided your figure into what?
12 parts.
Yeah, 12 parts. So 12 part is 72. You write that down. You have so much space besides the B. I don't know why you need to write on the super left. You have so much space below B. I don't know why you need to write over there. Rewrite it. Write it right in the middle. You don't show me this kind of face. If you show me this kind of face, I'm going to report to your mom and you will get it from us. You better sit straight, upright, and be serious about things. I asked you to write below part B. You have already labeled part B. You have plenty of space here. $72 what? So now you go and look at the figure. The figure shaded. They ask for shaded, right? Can you? I asked you to show me the overview. You zoom in, you don't zoom into everything. So shaded part is what?
1.
1. Okay. So 1 is how much? That's what the question is asking. By the way, I just realized we spent 2.5 hours, more than 2.5 hours for last lesson. So this lesson, I'm going to cut half hour out of it. I remember last lesson, the video is about 2 hours and 38 minutes. So for this lesson, we just have 1.5. Continue part C. Unshaded, same thing. How many are there unshaded?
22 minus 6.
No, I'm not talking about this is only one way. I'm talking about how do you use proportionality to do it?
You take the 12 but 22 and the 11.
Go ahead. You do it this way first. Then later on, you verify with the total minus the shaded. Okay, last question. Parameter of the figure. Okay, good. 可以了. That's all for this question. I want you to pay attention to this method. Can you use your highlighter to highlight the proportionality method to solve this question? Yes. Highlight it for part B and part C. So next lesson, you will look at this, you will watch this video, and then you will make use of the same thing to solve questions like this. Okay, next question.
You want the last question or?
Yeah, last question. Yeah. Okay, so this question is super simple. Okay, I have helped you check it already. It's correct. Why is it correct? Oh, but okay, I want to ask one question. What fraction of the figure is shaded? What's the area is shaded? Can you circle the area is shaded? Area of the shaded region. No. Can you, what is the answer for area of shaded region?
42.
Okay, write down. Circle the 42. 42 is the shaded region, right? Then what is the area of the entire figure?
154.
Entire